Hello kids, welcome to my channel Upgrade Your English. Please subscribe this channel. Today we will know the action words. Happy. Happy means feeling glad, cheerful or full of joy. The kid is very happy. Fail. Fail means to not succeed at something. His science experiment failed the first time. Mop. Mop means to clean the floor using a wet cloth or a stick with a cloth on it. She mops the floor every morning. Know. Know means to understand something. The boy knows to solve the puzzle. Throw. Throw means to send something through the air using your hand. She throws the ball into air. Waste. Waste means to use something in a bad or careless way. The man wastes the time carelessly. Roar means to shout or make a strong noisy sound. The lion roars in the jungle. Smile means a happy look on your face. The baby keeps Promise means to tell someone that you will surely do something. I promised my father to do my homework. Organize, to arrange things neatly and in order. They are organizing the boxes. Comfort. Comfort means to make someone feel better when they are sad, hurt or worried. Mom comforted me when I was crying. Bored means when something is not fun or exciting. The boy is bored with writing. Appear. Appear means to come into sight. The god appears before the girl. Endorse. To say that you like, support or approve of something. The actress endorses the product. Imagine. To make a picture in your mind. The man imagines for a house. Please like, follow and subscribe this channel. Thank you.